the difference between a man and a boy is a man knows the difference between power and force. A boy doesn't. Power and force. What's the difference between power and force? What does force have that power doesn't? Leverage. That's the whiny. That's the anger. That's the force, right? You want to take a tire off with a crowbar. That's not enough. You grab either a bigger crowbar or you put a pipe on it to give you more leverage. That's force. Now, a man needs to know the difference between power and force and uses force only external to the family to assist the family and never internal to the family. An internal force like violence force, if you think whining is not a force, you're way off. It's also leverage. Complaining, whining, it's all force. You need to say, this is where my power stops. This is me and my power. No whining, no aggression. Zero force. No force. Don't escalate with her is the answer. Let her escalate. Don't escalate with her.
Check the link in the first comment to get the Intentional Relationship course for free.